For years, electric cars have been practical, but not exactly thrilling. They've been praised for their efficiency and eco-friendliness, but let's be honest, most of them haven't exactly set pulses racing. The typical electric vehicle has been more about getting from point A to point B quietly, rather than delivering an exhilarating driving experience. But now, Mercedes-Benz, yes, the legendary company that invented the automobile itself, is making a bold move that could change everything we know about electric cars. They're not just building another electric saloon or SUV, they're reimagining what an electric car can truly be. Mercedes is pushing the boundaries of design, technology, and performance, aiming to create vehicles that are as exciting as they are sustainable. The secret behind this transformation? A revolutionary new electric motor that sits at the very heart of their next-generation vehicles. Instead of simply refining the same old technology, Mercedes took a different path. They acquired a small but innovative UK company called YASA, known for its cutting-edge electric motor designs. This move isn't just about squeezing out a bit more efficiency or extending range. It's about tackling one of the biggest challenges in high-performance electric vehicles: weight. Reducing weight is crucial for agility, handling, and that all-important fun factor behind the wheel. YASA's unique technology is a true game-changer, unlocking new levels of performance, responsiveness, and agility that were previously out of reach for electric cars. For the first time, this could be the moment when electric cars finally become true driver's machines, vehicles that enthusiasts will crave, not just tolerate. Today, we're not just witnessing the launch of a new model. We're seeing the birth of a whole new philosophy at Mercedes-Benz, one that puts excitement and emotion at the center of electric mobility. Electric cars can now be objects of desire, not just practical appliances. They can be beautiful, luxurious, and thrilling to drive. Mercedes is betting big that the future of driving isn't just electric, it's electrifying, promising a new era where sustainability and excitement go hand in hand. So, what exactly makes this new motor so special? Let's dive in and explore the technology that could redefine the electric car as we know it. So, what's the big deal about the YASA axial flux motor? Why is everyone in the automotive world talking about it? And what makes it so different from the electric motors we've seen before? Most electric cars today use what's called a radial flux motor. Picture a tin can, with the components spinning around a central axis. This design has been the standard for decades, powering everything from early EVs to today's mainstream electric vehicles. It works, but there's a catch. It's bulky, heavy, and not the most space-efficient. These motors take up a lot of room and add significant weight to the car, which can limit performance and efficiency. Now imagine taking that tin can and flattening it into a pancake. That's the essence of an axial flux motor. Instead of spinning around the center, the components are arranged in a flat, disc-like shape, which changes everything about how the motor works. In this design, the magnetic forces flow along the axle, not outwards. This clever arrangement makes the motor not only lighter and more compact, but also more efficient at converting electricity into motion. YASA takes it a step further by removing the heavy iron core found in traditional motors. By ditching this weighty component, they make the motor even lighter, while still delivering impressive power and torque. This isn't just a theoretical improvement. YASA's motors have already proven themselves in the real world, powering hypercars like the Koenigsegg Regera, where every gram and every watt counts. What's truly exciting is that Mercedes is now bringing this high-end, race-proven technology to their mainstream performance cars, making it accessible to a much wider audience. It's like taking the cutting-edge technology from Formula One and putting it right into your next family car, giving you performance and efficiency that used to be reserved for the racetrack. Mercedes looked at the old way of building electric motors and decided, we can do better. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric mobility. The YASA axial flux motor is a true breakthrough, a compact powerhouse that's set to change the DNA of electric cars, making them lighter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Smaller, lighter, and more powerful. This is the holy grail for electric vehicles, and with YASA's technology, it's finally within reach for everyday drivers. Here's why this matters for drivers. Weight is the enemy of fun. When you're behind the wheel, every extra kilogram dulls the sensation of speed and agility. The lighter the car, the more connected you feel to the road, and the more thrilling every turn becomes. Electric cars are heavy thanks to their batteries. These massive battery packs are necessary for range, but they add a lot of bulk, making cars feel less nimble and responsive compared to their gasoline counterparts. The YASA motor's power density means it's up to 3 times lighter than a traditional motor. That's a game changer. Imagine swapping out a heavy, bulky component for something compact and featherweight without sacrificing any power. That's a huge deal. Less weight means better handling, agility, and response. The car can change direction faster, brake more efficiently, and accelerate with more immediacy, making every drive more engaging. Engineers can now place motors exactly where they want, improving balance and reducing unsprung mass. This flexibility allows for smarter vehicle layouts, optimizing weight distribution for maximum performance. Less unsprung mass means better grip and a smoother ride. The suspension can react more quickly to bumps and imperfections, keeping the tires in better contact with the road and enhancing both comfort and control. Instead of just adding bigger batteries, Mercedes is making the whole car more efficient by making it lighter. This holistic approach means every component is scrutinized for weight savings, from the chassis to the interior. A lighter car needs less energy, so you get more range or can use a smaller battery. This not only saves weight, but also reduces costs and environmental impact, making electric vehicles more accessible and sustainable. It's a virtuous circle: less weight, more efficiency, more fun. Every improvement in weight reduction amplifies the benefits, creating a car that's not just better on paper, but genuinely more enjoyable in real-world driving. The axial flux motor isn't just better, it's the key to building a truly thrilling electric car. Its compact size and lightness unlock new possibilities for design and performance, pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can do. This is how you make an EV that's not just fast, but genuinely exciting to drive. It's about more than straight-line speed. It's about creating a car that responds instantly to your inputs and makes every journey memorable. The future of performance is lighter, smarter, and more dynamic. With innovations like the axial flux motor, we're entering a new era where electric cars aren't just efficient, they're exhilarating. Let's talk numbers, because they matter, but it's about the feeling too. The YASA motor delivers over 10 kilowatts per kilogram, double or triple what traditional motors manage. That means instant, explosive acceleration and sharper response. Less rotational inertia means the car reacts faster to your inputs. It's not just about 0-60 times, it's about how alive the car feels. The motor's design keeps peak torque available longer, so you get relentless power, not just off the line, but at any speed. The result? A car that's quick everywhere, not just in a straight line. All this adds up to a bigger grin on your face. Mercedes-AMG is using this tech to put fun back at the center of the driving experience. This is about building cars that make you feel alive. Numbers are great, but the real magic is in the feel. Lighter, smaller motors let engineers place power exactly where it's needed. Imagine an AMG with a YASA motor at each wheel. Ultimate torque vectoring. The car can push itself through corners with precision, actively helping you carve the perfect line. It feels less like a heavy object and more like an extension of you. This is what's been missing from most EVs: engagement and playfulness. YASA's tech gives engineers the tools to inject real soul into electric cars. It's about the sensation of perfect rotation, controllable power, and a car that connects with you. Mercedes-AMG is prioritizing the driver's experience above all else. The journey becomes the reward. AMG, Mercedes' performance division, is leading this electric revolution. They've always been about emotion and drama, not just power. By acquiring YASA, AMG ensures their electric cars will have a unique, thrilling character. The YASA motor gives them an edge lighter, faster, more agile cars. AMG isn't waiting for the competition. They're defining the future of the electric supercar. With this tech in-house, they can tune every detail for a cohesive, driver-focused experience. It's the difference between a bespoke suit and one off the rack. AMG is fusing old-world craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. The goal: electric cars that deliver the raw thrill of a classic AMG, but with instant, mind-bending performance. This is pure AMG, bold, ambitious, and ready to lead. This isn't just Mercedes versus Tesla. Tesla made EVs fast and desirable, but often feels more like a tech company than a car maker. Mercedes-AMG is taking a different path, focusing on handling, steering feel, and driver engagement. They're using electric tech to enhance the art of driving, not just to chase acceleration numbers. Multi-motor torque vectoring offers precision that petrol cars can only dream of. Mercedes is building a bridge between performance heritage and the electric future. It's not about catching up, it's about leading in a new direction. The soul of the driver's car is alive and well. When Mercedes-Benz adopts axial flux motors, the whole industry pays attention. This move will validate the technology and push other automakers to follow. As production scales, costs drop, and the tech spreads from supercars to everyday vehicles. It's a catalyst for innovation, new expertise, new designs, and a new generation of engineers. This could spark a renaissance in electric motor design. Most importantly, it changes public perception. Electric cars can be thrilling, not just practical. The future is lighter, more agile, and more connected to the driver. One bold choice could unlock a new chapter for the automobile. We're at a turning point. Mercedes-Benz with the YASA motor is making the electric future something to crave, not just accept. The soul of a performance car isn't about noise or cylinders. It's about connection and intent. AMG is proving that soul can be translated into electric language. The competition will have to respond. The bar for driver engagement is rising. This is great news for everyone who loves to drive. Mercedes could have played it safe, but chose to be bold and redefine the genre. They're putting the thrill of the drive at the center of their electric future. The Silver Arrow isn't just adapting, it's leading, with a secret weapon that makes driving exciting again. The best is yet to come.